The 2018 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, front and rear floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, tachometer, Sirius satellite radio, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, power mirrors, speed control, four-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning, radio data system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.